How do I uninstall mods from my Nintendo Switch version of Minecraft?
Hey there, Minecraft enthusiasts! In today's video, we'll be covering a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to uninstall mods from your Nintendo Switch version of Minecraft. Whether you're looking to remove a mod that's causing issues or simply want to try out a different gameplay experience, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in.
Accessing the Minecraft game data.
The first step to uninstalling mods from your Nintendo Switch version of Minecraft is to access the game data. Here's how you can do it. 1. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the home screen. 2. Locate the Minecraft icon and highlight it. 3. Press the plus button on your Joy-Con controller to open the options menu. 4. Select Manage Software from the menu options.
Removing mods.
Now that you've accessed the game data, it's time to remove the mods. Here's what you need to do. 1. Within the Manage Software menu, highlight the Minecraft game. 2. Press the A button to open the game options. 3. Look for an option called Add-ons or Downloadable Content and select it. 4. You'll see a list of installed mods or add-ons. Navigate to the mod you want to uninstall. 5. Highlight the mod and press the A button to access the mod options. 6. From the Mod Options menu, select the Uninstall or Delete option.
Confirming uninstallation.
Once you've selected the Uninstall option, you'll usually be prompted to confirm the uninstallation. Follow these steps. 1. Read the confirmation message that appears on the screen. 2. If you're certain that you want to uninstall the mod, select the Yes or Confirm option. 3. Depending on the size of the mod, the uninstallation process may take a few moments. Be patient and wait for it to complete. And there you have it, folks. Uninstalling mods from your Nintendo Switch version of Minecraft is a straightforward process. Just remember to access the game data, locate the mods within the add-ons or downloadable content section, and uninstall them using the respective options. If you want to add new mods in the future, you can always revisit this guide. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any other Minecraft-related questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy Minecrafting!